everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and healthy. So students, I am your English teacher Urmil Joshi from Arden Progressive School. So students, we were discussing the chapter nouns. So today I am continuing with the same chapter noun. We have discussed three kinds of noun in our previous video, and today we will study another kinds, two: material noun and collective noun. So I am just revising you the three kinds of noun here. First, noun. What is noun? So noun, you all know, is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or emotion, etc. So students, there are three kinds of noun in your previous video that I have discussed: common noun, proper noun and abstract noun. So common noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing in general. And the second one is proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. And abstract noun. An abstract noun is a name of quality, action or state which we can neither see nor touch, but only we can feel or think of. Now today we are discussing another two kinds of noun. First one is material noun. So students, you all know that what is material. What is material? So you all know matter. What is matter? Matter that has mass and occupies space. जो कोई स्थान घेरता है और अपना उसका कोई क्या होता है, मास होता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं मैटर, पदार्थ. In Hindi you can say पदार्थ. So matter has three states. First is solid, second is liquid and third is gas. Three states of matter. You can find matter in three states like solid, liquid and gas state. Okay, so what is matter? Matter that has mass and occupies space. So material noun. So today we will discuss material noun. So material noun is the name of a thing, substance or ingredients which we can use to make something else. So what is material? Material noun is the name of things, anything. Name of things. Substance means tattva and ingredients. And what is ingredients? Ingredients we use to make food items. Food that we use to make food. And substance can be anything, solid, liquid and gas, and things also, जो भी वस्तुएं हैं. So name of things, substance or ingredients that we use to make something else. तो हम जब किसी thing का, substance का या किसी सामग्री यानी ingredient का use to make something else, कुछ भी और चीज बनाने के लिए करते हैं, that are called material nouns. For example, I am giving you one example, that is milk. Milk. So milk is a ingredient, the thing we use milk to make something else. For example, we make curd from the milk. We make curd, ghee, butter, kheer, rice. wheat rice. Like this, we can use milk in different dishes. So, what is my milk here? Milk is material noun here because we are using milk to make something else or make something new. So, like this, material noun is the name of a thing, substance or ingredient that we use to make something. For example, you can use gold. You can use gold to make something. For example, you can make ring also. You can make a necklace also. Coins also. So like this, gold is material noun. Gold is material noun. It is a thing that we are using to make ring, necklace or coins. For example, rubber. We use rubber also to make tires, erasers and so many decorative items also we can use with the help of rubber. तो रबर क्या है आपका? मटीरियल नाउन है जिसको हम हिंदी में द्रव्यवाचक या पदार्थवाचक संज्ञा भी कहते हैं. द्रव्यवाचक या पदार्थवाचक संज्ञा भी कहते हैं. So like this, material noun is the name of a thing, substance or ingredients which we can use to make something. After that, one more noun, that is collective noun. Collective noun. So collective word is taken from the word collection. Collection means group. Collection. So collection. Collection of things. Collection of people. Persons. Collection of animals. So like this, what is collective noun? Collective noun is the name of collection of things, collection of persons, collection of animals. So one by one I am giving you example things. For example, collection of maps. What you can say collection of maps? जब हम maps का कोई collection होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Atlas. We use the word atlas. Atlas of maps. This is the collection of things. Second is collection of persons. For example, army of soldiers. Soldiers are the persons and you are using army word for the collection of persons. And last is collection of animals. Collection of animals. Herd of cattle. मवेशियों का झुंड. So these are the examples of collection of things, collection of persons and collection of animals. So what is collective noun? Collective noun is the name of collection of things, collection of persons and collection of animals. So you can use the word collection only one time, collection of things, persons and animals. Collective noun is the name given to collection of things, persons or animals. Collection means the group. We are using the word collection for groups. समूह जिसे हम कहते हैं. In Hindi you can say समूहवाचक संज्ञा. समूहवाचक संज्ञा. So now I think it is clear to all of you, material noun and collective noun. Material noun is the name of a thing, substance or ingredients that we use to make something else. जिनका यूज हम कुछ और बनाने के लिए करते हैं वो सब क्या है आपके material nouns हैं. And the second is collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun is the name of the collection of people, person, animals or things. So now I am telling you, I am explaining you the exercise of your book. Exercise number 3.3. First question is A. Pick out the material nouns in the following sentences. You have to pick out the material noun of the sentence. So material nouns आपको लिखने हैं सामने. Material nouns. So first is the utensils. The utensils in our kitchen. Are made of steel. Are made of steel. So the utensils in our kitchen are made of steel. So what is material noun here? Utensils means होता है बर्तन. So the utensils in our kitchen are made of steel. Steel के बने हुए हमारे किचन में क्या हैं? बर्तन हैं. So the utensils in our kitchen, हमारे किचन के बर्तन स्टील के बने हैं. So what is the material noun? What is the material we are using to make utensils? Steel we are using. So you will write steel. Steel is the material noun. With steel we can make many utensils for our kitchen. So steel is material noun. Second is clothes made of cotton. Made of cotton are good to wear. Are good to wear in summer. In summer. So what is the meaning of this sentence? Clothes made of cotton. सूत के बने हुए या सूती कपड़े समर्स में पहनने के लिए बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So here clothes are made up of cotton. So cotton is material noun here. So you will write cotton material noun. We make clothes with cotton. Paper is used to make copies. So what we are making with paper? We are making copies. So what we are using to make copies? Paper we are using. So paper is material noun. Which material we are using? Paper we are using to make copies. So paper is material noun here. Next, fourth one is the tires of car. The tires of car are made of rubber. Are made of rubber. So for making tires of car, what we are using? What material? Which material? Rubber we are using. So rubber is material noun. We are using the material rubber here to make tires. Tires को बनाने के लिए हम rubber का use कर रहे हैं. So rubber is material noun in this sentence. Last is flour is used to make bread. Flour is used to make bread. So in this sentence, what we are making? We are making bread, roti, with flour. So what is the material here? Material noun, the name of a thing, flour. So you will use flour, flour. Okay. So like this, in these sentences, I have written material noun in front of the sentence that we are using to make something else. So these are material nouns. Now after that, one more question is there. Fill in the blanks with abstract nouns. You have to fill the blanks with material nouns. आपको material nouns, abstract nouns से इसको fill करना है. You have to write the abstract nouns. So B1 question, I am just writing the answers here. She enjoyed her mother. Mother word is given here and you have to make the abstract noun from the word mother. So mother से abstract noun क्या बनेगा? Motherhood. मातृत्व. Abstract noun of mother is motherhood. She enjoyed her motherhood. Next is, do you have dash in this club? So member is given here. So what is the abstract noun of member? Membership. Sadasyata. So you will write membership here. Membership. Third is, we had a long lasting dash. Friend. For friend you will write friendship. Friendship is abstract noun. Mitrata, dosti. He hopes to take over the dash of the party. So leader, dash of the party. So you have to write abstract noun for the word leader. So leadership. Leadership. My dash friend went to London for higher studies. Neighbor. So you will write abstract noun for neighbor, neighborhood. Neighborhood. I forgave him due to the dash of his mother. Polite. So for the word polite, you will write politeness. Abstract noun of polite is politeness. She got the reward because of her dash. Brave. For the word brave, you will write bravery. Bravery is abstract noun. And the last is, dash is the best policy. So for the word honest, you will write honesty is the best policy. So these are the nouns that we have changed in abstract nouns. We have made abstract noun from the words given in the bracket. जो bracket में आपके words दिए थे, उनको आपको क्या करा है? Abstract noun में change किया है and you have filled the sentences with the help of abstract nouns. So hope you all have understood what is material noun and what is collective noun. And rest of the exercises I will send you through PDF, and you have to do these exercises in your book only, and those who are not having book, they will write it in the notebook. So take care. Goodbye. Meet you soon. Bye.